Okay, we're about to do another video. This one is going to be probably pretty long. It might be short, just depending on what I decide to do. And I did sell a truck. I forgot. Honestly, I don't even know how I did this, but I forgot. Oh, it was the Fast But Slow, the little white truck. No, not white. It was the little black truck. And that's how I made this build, which I didn't get on camera. Well, I will showcase it real quick. Just a little open play run at the farm. Now I'm gonna fix the audio in this video, I promise. It's pretty fast. It's 103 miles an hour, I saw it. Let's see how it jumps. And also, thank you for getting a little bit of views on the videos. It's nice. Every video I post gets a little bit more views, so that's nice. Pretty good at mudding. Test rock crawling. Oh, gotta go back. Ooh, almost tipped it over. Okay. Okay. Struggling on this one part. Most of the trucks do that. Yeah, that's not gonna make it. Okay. Now, I think in a previous video I promised that I would get some more money and some more crates. And that's what we're about to do after this because I earned some money. Obviously, I'm not going to show me buying it on screen because some people out there like taking people's information. I'm not trying to get that happen to me. So I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, but it's a pretty good truck. It looks good. Drives good. I like it. Okay, so I am going to pause the recording and I'll get the money. Okay, we got the money. 2.5 mil. We got a bunch of crates now. I'll open up 5 crates for good luck. Here's one. What did we get? Oh. And of course, a face. Go to the next one. What did we get? Ooh, rocker covers. I'll take them. 3. Some flag. Don't know what that is. 4. Another flag. 5. Come on, please be the axle. Dang it. That was a 44 series axle. Another flag. Okay. So we're gonna go buy a pre-built truck, I think. Let's see. Buy truck. This is the truck that we used to have. The diesel one, I think it was. I've been wanting to buy this truck for kind of a long time, but I just didn't think it was worth it. There's no way I'm buying it. Maybe one day just for fun, then I'll probably sell it, but not right now. This I already have. Maybe. Probably not gonna buy that. Not this. Oh, this one. Consider this one. This truck is pretty nice. No. Oh, I like this truck a lot. Looks like a Silverado type body. No thanks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass. Ooh, 500 grand though. I mean, I love the truck and the style and everything, but I just don't know about 500 grand. No thanks. What I want to know is, why are the wheels so tiny? Oh my god. Did the game developers get lazy or something? Kind of confusing. I don't know. So, by the trucks that I considered, I guess, I think there was like 2. I thought about this one. Probably not. Really want this truck, but might not buy it. Already have that. No. Okay, yeah, we're gonna buy this one. 250 something grand. Looks like a mud truck, so we'll name it Mud. Almost. Mud. Done. Oh, I like it. Pretty nice design. Oh, my mom texted me. Okay, let's buy another truck. I don't know if any of you guys that are watching this video are YouTubers too, but I hate when you're trying to record a video and someone texts you. Oh, here we go. This little truck. Yeah, we'll buy it. Name it Red. I don't know why. Just because it has a little bit of red. Okay, we'll go buy something else. Because I'm just kind of trying to fill up my garage because it's a 16 truck garage, but there's like no room for anything. Whoa. How did I never realize that this map where you buy the trucks from is the farm? Whoa, look at this. Oh, I forgot about the back. There we go. Get one of these. We'll name it Tall because it's pretty tall. I'm running out of names. Oh, I like it. 2,600 horsepower, pretty good. And I think there was one more truck. Was it this? I don't know if it was this, but we'll buy it. Let's name it Tr. Okay. Still got 1.3 mil. And I did work on this game a little bit separately, and I have a little bit more trucks and stuff. 10-minute video so far. You know what? I think we're gonna end the video here and make a new showcase video for the new trucks. And I'll make it right after this video. So it should be up by the time you see this. If not, check back a little bit later. I'll end the video with 5 crates. We got an R. Nice. Tire? Nope, flag. It's number 2, 3. Oh, I'll take that. That's nice. 3, 4. Another. Where am I? 5. Oh, please be be a wheel. Oh man, I got a spider. Okay. So, we'll do a quick little recap. So we got this. 1,650 horsepower. I really like that design. It's a little truck. I don't know what it's based off. It's gonna say Tacoma. And it looks really good, actually. Here we go. This is the mud truck type thing. It's pretty tall. That's why it's named Tall. Don't really know what to say about this. It's just a cool truck. And I can't tell if this is like a really light pink or white. I really can't tell. Okay, and then this truck. I like this truck a lot. And for only 170 grand, it was worth it. Those rims match really good with it. And I love how the seat is red and little like shocks are red, and the like engine bay or the rocker covers and the actual engine is red. And the back of the radiator is red. The wheels have red, body's red, everything on this is red. And I'm not gonna lie, my favorite color is more of a blue, but red just looks good most of the time. But yeah, that's it. So there'll be a new video up that is me driving all of them. But share with all your friends. Bye.